Hi guys, so here I am as promised with the video of my 12 by 12 accordion tag box, and as you can see I'm trying really hard to get this entire thing in frame, and you can see it here with respect to my cutting mat. My cutting mat is 2 feet by 3 feet, and you can see how enormous this project is, as well as I can show you with respect to a 4 by 4 accordion tag box. So this is 4 by 4 and this is 12 by 12. So let's just talk about the features of this album. So basically it looks exactly like what an accordion tag box looks like, and it has special features. It has got 2 shadow boxes which have been made from scratch. These aren't ready-made shadow boxes. So this one here has all of my baby's birth details. So if you see, there's a calendar up there which says which has a heart on the 26th, so it's June 2018 26th, and then it has a pacifier, her pacifier there, and then there are some wooden chipboard pieces, and then my baby's first photograph on the first day, and then I have a pocket watch there which says the time of her birth. It says 12:55, and then I have a ruler here which says 44 centimeters. That's her birth height, and then down here you have a little a baby bed sort of thing which has a little baby sleeping on it. It's a ceramic baby, and it says 2.7 kgs, which was a weight. And over here you have a little cabinet. Again, this was made by hand, and then I have a lot of little animals to replicate a sort of a cabinet which you will ideally have in a baby's room. So it has got a lot of little ceramic toys, some pigs, some penguins, elephants, owls, and then you have another little a wheelbarrow with a little elephant sticking out of it. You have a miniature house, a flower pot with some flowers, a watering can, a milk bottle, a miniature car, and some blocks. So and it's got metal embellishments. And then if I turn around, you can see I have a whole bunch of little charms just to add some more whimsy to this project. So I show you how to make this charm as well, and then let's see if I can get more light in here. So you see you have the 12 pockets with the 12 tags, and I'll be pulling them out after some time. And if I expand this, you can see how huge this accordion really is. And let me bring back the tiny one. So this is the tiny one, the 4 by 4 one, and you have your large accordion. So that's what that looks like, and you have some metal embellishments and some chains on some lovely ribbon. And I'm going to turn this around, and here you have your the second shadow box, and this contains some memorabilia from my babies. One of her first shoes, and one of her first toys, that little bunny. She really loves it. And one of her photographs, so one of my favorite photos of her. And then this feature comes with the music box. So that's the music box that's been incorporated into the shadow box. And I also show you how to cut your pattern paper in this fashion, and how to fix the music box, and how to elevate the picture and everything. So this side is the same as the other side. This does not have the charms. And now let me just pull out the tags. So I won't be pulling out all the tags, but I'll give you an idea of what the tags look like. So this is the tag from the first month. This says 1 month old. It has a tab there, and then it has her first photographs and some fussy cut animals, and then there's more pictures of her. So the tags are also multi-page tags, and you can in the class I show you that how to add multiple leaves to this tag as well. So there are some really large tags, and overall I have 300 photographs of my baby in here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.